This Hotpoint washing machine saves you from waiting around, delivering spotless results in no time. Ideal for when you want items cleaned in a hurry, it tackles large loads quickly thanks to the speedy performance of the Full Load 45 program. Save time and effort spent on laundry with the ability to clean a full load in 45 minutes without sacrificing wash quality. You get assured hygiene from the ultimate care with steam injected directly into the drum by Steam Hygiene to naturally remove up to 99.9% of common bacteria. It's able to remove stains from your clothes without the need for pre-treatment, saving time and effort with the handy anti-stain program.